Here is a secretive military build-up, billions spent, and the story that is only coming out now. Well, the calm blue waters near Venezuela may look peaceful, but behind those waves, a massive and extremely expensive military operation has quietly unfolded. And let me tell you, the numbers, they are shocking. A multi-billion-dollar operation it was that only few people know about. Well, the US reportedly launched one of its biggest Caribbean military deployment in recent years. Warships moved in, fighter aircraft patrolled the skies, surveillance drones monitored every single moment. Logistics aircraft delivered non-stop supplies here. And the cost of running the giant operation? Hold your breath. Nearly $3 billion. Yes, I'm not talking million. $3 billion. Millions burned every single day. At the peak of this operation, military activity reportedly covered over $20 million every single day. That includes, by the way, naval fleets, fighter jets, drone operation, troop deployment, fuel and logistic support every hour. Millions were being spent just to keep the mission alive. And then there was a floating giant that dominated the entire mission. The centerpiece of this operation was America's most advanced aircraft carrier, USS Gerald R. Ford. This ship is not a war machine, it is a floating city filled with thousands of crew members and advanced fighter jets. But operating it comes with a stunning price. Running the single carrier strike group alone can cost more than $11 million per day. Can you imagine that? One ship costing more daily than the year budget of small towns. You know why such a massive force were deployed there? Well, the mission around Venezuela is not any random mission, right? It involved several objects: monitoring regional security threats, increasing pressure on Venezuela's leadership, controlling strategic maritime routes, strengthening anti-smuggling, and surveillance operation. Well, military analysts say that the deployment grew so large that a significant portion of the US Navy was tied to this single region. Well, here we have a high-risk strategic gamble. Such operations require enormous planning. Ships must stay combat ready, aircraft must remain on standby, troops must be fully supplied. Technology must operate 24/7. This level of readiness turns military presence into a non-stop financial drain. So, here comes the official response from Washington after this. Officials say that many of these forces, they were already deployed worldwide. According to them, the operation did not fully create new costs, but simply redirected the existing military assets. However, defense analysts warn that high-intensity operations still increase the expenses dramatically. That means more fuel, more maintenance, more personal cost. And these costs quickly pile up. That's right. And yes, there is another reason this region really matters so much. Venezuela holds one of the world's largest oil reserves. Control and stability in this region can influence the global energy market and international power balance, which, by the way, makes the country not just political hotspot but also economic battlefield. But there is hidden global impact here. When such a large portion of military resources focuses on one area, it affects the global security planning. Ships tied up in the Caribbean cannot respond to emergencies elsewhere. Aircraft stationed here cannot quickly shift to other crisis zones. And this creates strategic pressure across multiple regions. So, here the biggest question that remains: how long will this cost operation continue? Military deployments rarely end overnight. They depend on political goals, regional stability, and security outcomes.